Guys, welcome to Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. My name is Alex Wong, and I make travel videos full-time so that you viewers can live vicariously through me as I travel the world. For my subscribers, thank you for your support. If you guys haven't done so yet, please click that subscribe button for future videos. But most importantly, I hope you guys enjoy this video coming up right now. So Hong Kong was amazing. Had a really good time. Got to eat a lot of good food, hang out with great friends. And I got to Haneda Airport a couple hours ago. So I'm gonna try to get some rest before I go out of the city. I had a crazy morning this morning. So I was taking a train to the Tsukiji fish market, and I realized I left my wallet on a Toei Line train. And so basically with the help of the Toei Line lost and found employees, I was able to locate my wallet and someone turned it in. So I must say the Japanese people I love because of their sincerity, their kindness, and just how respectful they are. Hi guys, I'm in Osaka with my friend Risa. She's about to destroy this interview, so go up to her and stay tuned for the rest of this adventure in Osaka/Kyoto maybe. Alright guys, so I'm at the park where the Osaka Castle is at. You can see it over there. Alright, it's Alex again. Found my tourist mates. A bunch of them. I guess they wanted to go see the castle as well. Beautiful Osaka Castle. Hey guys, so I made it to the top floor of the Osaka Castle. Just getting a great view of the city of Osaka. It's beautiful up here. Alright Risa, what do you want to tell everyone back in North Carolina?
I miss you guys, I love you, hoping to come back soon. Bye.
There you go. Risa's doing well. This is Dotonbori. It's really cool. I'm in Kyoto right now. This is day 6 of my Asia trip. I am in Arashiyama. Got my ticket to the monkey park. Hiking up this trail right now. What a beautiful view of the top of this hill. So this is Iwatayama Monkey Park in Arashiyama. The entry fee is about 550 yen. It's about a 20-minute walk up this hill, and I think it's worth it. If you love monkeys, you should definitely check this park out. There's Mama, accompanied by her babies playing with each other. The bamboo forest. It's basically called the Path of the Bamboo. It's beautiful. right now? What are we doing right now?
Rubbing.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah,
Alex. There you go.
Yeah.
Awesome. Do it right there. Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Edamame. Hey. Fried chicken. This place?
Grandpa? Uncle. So that's my dad's little brother.
No way.
Is he the chef and the chef? Oh, sushi.これ日系で中国系アメリカ系。
All right. What is this, man? What is this?
Asa tempura, bro.
Alright guys, so right now I am on my way to Zumami Island and I bought my ticket at the Tomari port in Naha. This is Aka Island. Just had a minor short stop. Now on our way to Zumami Island. Look how clear the water is. Love it. It's awesome. So I made some new friends. I make videos. From Japan, my friends right here. We're just hanging out in Okinawa. Yeah.
Come on!